Hello, everyone. Hope you're having a great day. My name is Mitch Kamm, and I'm a domestic healthcare analyst here at Marquette University within the Applied Investment Management program. I'm recommending that the AIM Fund purchase stock of Corcept Therapeutics Inc. at a price target of $35.88. Corcept Therapeutics is a pharmaceutical company engaging in the discovery, development, and commercialization of medications to treat severe metabolic, oncologic, and psychiatric disorders. The firm focuses on the development of drugs for disorders associated with the steroid hormone cortisol, with their only drug currently on the market, Korlym, looking to treat Cushing's disease, while looking to expand their drug offerings to treat cancer and other illnesses. Their share price on the closing of the 14th was $22.28. Their market cap is $2,736,000,000. 52-week range, $10.94 to $31.18. Their price to earnings in the last 12 months is 30.6. EV to EBITDA has been 20.1. They had 2020 revenues of just under $354 million, and they have a BBB ESG rating according to MSCI. It is recommended that the AIM Equity Fund purchase shares of Corcept Therapeutics Inc. with a price target of $35.88, representing a potential 61.04% upside. Corcept enjoys strong customer loyalty for their Korlym product as revenues have grown at a 34.2% CAGR over the last 5 years. Relacorilant will replace Korlym as treatment for Cushing's disease, proving to be a safer and more effective drug. The pipeline has potential for treatments of antipsychotic-induced weight gain, various cancer, and other illnesses. Corcept has a pipeline with potential. Relacorilant is undergoing 2 Stage 3 trials and 1 Stage 2 trial to test its efficacy against Cushing's disease, in addition to ovarian and pancreatic cancer. Corcept is also developing FKBP5 gene expression testing, as there is currently no specific test that can definitively distinguish Cushing's syndrome from other hypercortisolism disorders, leading to the idea that Cushing's disease is an underreported and sometimes unknown disease in patients. Same cure, different path. Relacorilant is a far better drug than Korlym, as it does not bind to the progesterone receptor, inducing the termination of pregnancy, has not shown any other anti-progesterone side effects such as endometrial thickening or vaginal bleeding, and treatment with relacorilant does significantly increase cortisol levels, preventing hypokalemia, which has affected 44% of patients using relacorilant. They have expansion opportunities as they're analyzing applications for their existing and developing drugs to treat Alzheimer's disease, anxiety, diabetes, hypertension, neurodegenerative diseases, non-small cell lung cancer, and diabetes. To reach an intrinsic value for Corcept Therapeutics, a DCF was completed at an 85% weight, generating a price target of $37.04, using a weighted average cost of capital of 6.11% and a terminal growth rate of 1.5%. Additionally, an EV to sales relative valuation multiple reached a price target of $29.28, with a peer multiple of 9.73 times, and the Corcept 2020 EV to sales was 7.4. The investment risks for the firm include clinical and regulatory challenges. Failure to meet government health standards and past clinical trials will delay product launches, including the expected launch of relacorilant in the second half of 2022, which would have negative financial impacts for the firm. Corcept is extremely dependent on Korlym. Their ability to generate profit is solely dependent on Korlym's commercial success. If the drug loses its right to be sold on the market or is no longer successful due to a competitor coming along, Corcept's financials will be heavily affected. They have 2 new faces on the management team, Atabak Mokhari and Charles Robb, as the Chief Financial Officer and Chief Business Officer, respectively. Failure to integrate these 2 onto the management team will negatively impact firm operations and performance. In conclusion, Corcept is leading the discovery and development of drugs that modulate the effects of cortisol. Corcept's focus on continued growth of Korlym and development of new treatments will continue their market expansion, which will allow for cross-selling of products as they continue to foster healthy relationships with physicians and medical practices across the United States, and will be looking to expand into Europe with the launch of relacorilant. With a proven therapeutic on the market, a healthy balance sheet, commercial expertise, and a strong product pipeline, Corcept is ready to expand and become a major player in the therapeutic market. If you have any questions, please contact me. I've shared my contact information below. You can reach me at michael.kamm@marquette.edu or at 402-972-5337. I hope you have a great day.